Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, managing inventory helps prevent overselling and keeps your store running smoothly. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how to manage inventory in Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, as usual, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Make sure also the server is fully working. Go and look for Squarespace and tap on this login button. Use your email address and password, and here we go. Your website will be shown here. As for now, we're gonna go all the way, tap on products and services, select products from this list. Okay, so you will be having basically much products here if you are already working using this website. But let's say you are new, so we're gonna go and tap add physical product here. Okay, we have multiple options including details, forms. You can also create new form to collect extra information from shoppers. You can add images, and here we are in the inventory. So we have the price, we have this on sale, we have this stock. So let's say you doesn't have an unlimited stock. All you're gonna do is turn this off. And as you see, go ahead and select how many basically pieces or how many objects you have. Let's say you have 10 shirts, we're gonna go and select 10. And that's basically the main idea. You can even add variants if you want to, but let's say you want to keep it for unlimited, just turn it on back. And that's it. You can also use subscriptions, charge customers on a recurring basis, and offer discount on a repeat purchase. You can also turn them on. One-time purchase and subscription, you can put subscription only, it depends all on you. So we have the shipping, weight and dimensions, you can change this also. You can basically organization, create categories to package products, category will appear in the store navigation. You can include this, you can include tags. You can even automate tax collection if you want to. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.